Dear students, very good morning. In this class, we are going to discuss about the basic, that is fundamentals of machine learning. We all aware about the machine learning. That is the trendy topic in this era we are making. That is machine learning. What is machine learning? Before machine learning, we must aware what is learning. Learning, it is a process of that is a process of acquiring new things. Okay, that is called learning. And here machine learning, the machine will learn something from the input, or the what are the raw data we are feeding. From that it will analyze and give the information, that is called machine learning. And here the definition comes: machine learning is a technology that allows computer to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programming. That is explicitly in the means what the literal meaning of explicit, that is the detailed. So without having the detailed programming, the machine will analyze the data and it will give the information based upon our convenient, that is based upon what we are expecting the output, right? And another one more definition: machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that involves the development of algorithms and statistical model that enable computers to perform tasks by identifying patterns and making inferences from data. And the obviously we may have one more choice. The definition: machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence in which computers learn from data and improve with experience without being explicitly programming. So we may here I have given the three choices of definition. You may choose any one. All the definition, it is having the same meaning. Okay, now the machine learning introduction part. Machine learning is a most popular technique of predicting the feature of classifying information, or classifying the information to help people in making necessary decision. Machine learning algorithms are trained over instances or examples through which they learn from past experience and also analyze the historical data. As obviously, when we work in the computer will analyze our past experience. That is in terms the internet connection we are making in the Google, no, it will analyze the past experience and it will give the historical data. Yes, therefore as it trains over the example again and again, it is able to identify patterns in order to make prediction about the future. Data is the core backbone of machine learning algorithm. With the help of the historical data, we are able to create more data by training these machine learning algorithms. Mathematics and computer science both are very much involved in machine learning, because mathematics is used for developing machine learning models and computer science is used for implementing machine learning algorithms, right? And again the introduction continues to understand the nature of learning, to build, that is the learning capability in computers with more specific, to develop general purpose algorithm of practical value. Such algorithms should be efficient to make the computer smarter, more intelligent. The more direct objective in this aspect is to develop system for specific practical learning tasks in application domains, to develop computational models of human learning process and perform computer simulations. To study in this aspect is also called cognitive model. Cognitive in the sense intelligence, right? And to explore new learning methods and develop general learning algorithms, independent applications. And machine learning, here the introduction to machine learning. How in this slide also how does the machine learning works, these things we are going to see the image of introduction to machine learning. We are giving the that is ordinary systems are there with AI as well as the machine learning, and it will give the information like learning as well as the predict information and impression. The learning is the process of, already we have discussed, it's a process of acquiring new knowledge, skill, behavior or understanding through study, experience, practice and teaching, right? How does machine learning works? See the image, the input data we are giving, and it will analyze the data based on using with the help of some algorithm, and find patterns, and it will predict the data, and it stores the feedback. The machine learning process starts with that is inputting training data into the selected algorithm. Training data is being known or unknown data is to develop the financial, that is sorry to develop the final machine learning algorithm. Applications of machine learning: the major application we may have the social media, e-commerce, healthcare, virtual assistant, robot and self-driving cars, transport. And coming to the healthcare, it's doing the major role, as well as the finance, e-commerce applications. Yes, obviously nowadays without machine learning we are unable to analyze our financial data. And retail and e-commerce, yes, the Amazon, Flipkart, all those things we are here, it is very much important. And transportation and automotive, automatic cars and self-driving autonomous cars. It came on social media and entertainment like Facebook, Instagram, Facebook, Instagram, as well as our even on YouTube, all those things. It is very much useful, and manufacturing process automation it is happening. And still now we have covered the major domain, that is the application. And coming to the real time application, image recognition, that is image recognition almost covered all the areas, that is Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, as well as the camera surveillance. Image recognition is very much important. And example, Facebook deepface detects the tags face with high accuracy. And speech recognition, yes, we are having the Google Assistant Siri, and that is Cortana and Alexa. Example, Alexa turns on smart lights when user says Alexa turn on living room lights. We regularly we are using this kind of application now, so that we can come to understand how the machine learning is used in the real time application. Like translation, Google Translator, Amazon Translator, that is Microsoft Translator. And coming to the traffic light, we all aware Google Map, Netflix, and Twitter. An example, Google Maps, it is used to that is the crowd sources location. Yes, while moving in the traffic, it will show in the red color and the green as well as the orange, all those colors indicates, right? And coming to the transportation, I'm commuting, Uber, Ola, yeah, here we are using these also in real time application. Likewise, product recommendation, Amazon, Flipkart, once we buy the product, again it will give the recommendation as based upon our feedback and star rating. As well, coming to the virtual personal assistant, Sri Google Assistant, and self-driving cars, Tesla, Waymo, Crossic, all those things is used in the real-time applications. And dynamic pricing is exactly airlines, Uber, and e-commerce platform. And coming to the medical diagnosis, it's a medical miracle, it is happening using the technology updation, because AI in radiology, pathology, protection models, example Google, Google's DeepMind detects over 50 eye diseases from retinal scans using image classification. So it's suppose it's a best support to the doctors, and they can consume their energy as well as their time, and they can give more importance to the humans, and the disease will be rectified. And this is how the machine learning process is happening. The basic fundamental introduction in this video we have covered, as well as the application and real time applications. Thank